and they've had this on some form of stand, because I have never seen out like that.
Now, quite often on this channel we restore dangerous and open graves. It's just to help restore our history and heritage and to make the ground a bit more safer for passers-by. Now, one of these graves is the Garnett Grave, which is just behind me. We restored this around about April time 2024. Now, what I'm about to share with you is I've never seen anything like this before, and even the ground volunteers were shocked. We found an object in there which was quite baffling. We don't know how it got in there or whether it had any relationship to the actual occupants of the graves. So let's have a closer look at this grave here. So this is grave A12, and the deceased are William Garnett, John Garnett, who is the owner of the grave, and Clara Novello Garnett. Now, this is bricked internally up to the surface, and it's got a granite cross and granite edgings. Now, if you look at the list here, the official records from St Paul's Parish Church in Shipley says it's got 3 occupants, but there's a bit of mystery to be shared on this video. Now, this is grave A12, and last year we did grave A13, which is this one here, and this is nicely restored as well. And what happened was the headstone actually collapsed into grave A12, totally damaged it, as you can see from this clip. And before I get into the video, I'd just like to mention that a lot of these tasks we come across are very challenging, and we do our best to deal with them respectfully and with sensitivity with the relevant permissions. Now, I'm very passionate about saving local heritage and the history behind these graves, and the fact that this is not just a Bradford or a Shipley issue, it's a national issue. So do drop us a comment, because I'm sure there's people outside the city who are interested in this subject.
Lower it down, lower it down. Tighten it up again.
Graham, do you see any remains in there, or?
I can't see no remains at the moment. Maybe when we pull a few more things in, we may see some. There's an urn there. It may be a precious metal urn. It looks like it's an urn for a child, because it's got child.
Right.
Come here.
Yeah, just have a look.
Okay. Okay. What I'm going to do, I'm going to pull that way with digger. My problem is that the flags are broke and the flags are going to drop down. But we've got a valuable item in here, and I think personally that this probably fits on top of the a monument. But my problem is it's quite valuable, so I think we should give it to the church. You understand? Would we all agree on that? Yeah. So we take it out first before it gets damaged. Yeah. But it's getting it out. That's a problem. I don't know yet. It may be an urn. I think it's an urn, isn't it?
Is it heavy, Graham? Is it heavy?
It's quite heavy, yeah.
Right. Can you just
it
lift
may
it to
be
the
an
camera,
urn,
please?
I think it's an urn.
Oh God.
But I just wait a minute, yeah. Is it? Where's your torch rails?
Just behind you, just behind you.
Don't need the glasses, do I?
Have you seen something like this before,
Never,
Graham?
never.
First time?
What's it say? I've got my glasses. Emily Hopkinson died 23rd of October 1930.
Emily who, sorry?
Hopkinson, 1953.
Oh, that's,
it's staying in here.
Well, that's,
Okay. It's an urn, is it?
she's
Okay.
not on the grave, is she?
But we can't damage the urn.
Are you sure it's not Patterson?
No, it's Hopkinson.
I've not come across that name.
K-I-N.
It's not in the records.
Yeah?
Died 23rd of October 1953, I think it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, 53. What's the first name?
Emily. Is it Emily?
It looks like, what I can't understand is why
It's
is
not
it
on the
that is at
PDF
the
as well.
bottom? In what significance could that be?
Yeah.
That's metal, is that?
Yeah, it's brass. And does it say how old she is?
No, but
It looks
these are
like a
all
baby.
babies, and
Yeah.
these all
Yeah,
ornate.
yeah.
Obviously, there's 4 babies, 4 children. What's that now?
Has it got anything else?
Get that, that's plastic.
Graham, do you just want to take this camera and see if you can get close up, please?
Sewer lines, that's plastic.
Is there anything else?
No, oh yeah.
What does it say?
That says, is it me? We'd have to clean it.
Okay.
So, I wonder if there's 4 children in there.
Anything there?
No,
No?
nothing there, but there's definitely something here. It needs a proper clean to make it out.
Have we got some wire, wire in pocket at van. Yeah, that wire to clean.
Just grab that there, what is that?
Pardon?
Grab that.
Just hold on, it's pretty dangerous, is that, mate?
Are you sure that is? Are you sure?
Don't, for what? Oh, we've got a set of ashes here.
What I'm saying, is that an ashes thing?
Yeah, that's an ashes set.
Plastic, is that? Yeah,
Yeah, but we wasn't told about that, were we?
that's definitely ashes.
And is that a?
That's a casket for an ashes.
Yeah,
Plastic one. Clara Garnett Hopkinson, but there's another name on there as well.
But what's the date?
1953,
And what's the dates on these?
1919, and I don't know.
Look, have a look all the way around it.
Very difficult to make out.
Never seen an urn like that.
I haven't.
Never.
Did we look at the records on this? I can't remember.
Susanna Hopkinson,
Yeah, Hopkinson, and the other one were Hopkinson as well.
who died a few hours after birth,
Yeah. I think they're all babies.
8th of May 1960.
I think that's an umbilical cord. I think that's what's holding them together. That's my theory. It's like a cord holding all 4 babies.
So other one is Emily Hopkinson,
How old she was.
23rd of October. What has happened is, it appears to me that Emily Hopkinson died on the 23rd of October 1953, was cremated, and then probably her niece, Susanna Hopkinson, died a few hours after birth in 18th of May 1960, and this has been somewhere else. This has been somewhere else, you know, maybe in a religious area or something like that, or even at home, and they've had this on some form of stand, because I have never seen out like that, you know, and to the expense of what that's, you know, of what it is. You know, we genuinely thought it was on top of the canopy of that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right, we'll turn on its 4th side.
on its fourth side.
We'll check the third and there were no names. See, I just wonder why there's 4 babies and what the cord is over together. There might be some significance. Interesting.
So just to confirm, that's grave A12.
Is that being left?
That's A13. This is the Patterson
Yeah, we'll have to leave it in now. Yeah.
grave,
It's all for this, isn't it?
Yeah. Absolutely.
The church needs to clarify why it's
which
been
Yeah.
the
Somebody
headstone
well,
toppled over.
again, they haven't just put it in because they've had to make some form of effort to put it in, haven't they?
Yeah.
You know, they've had to, dismantle everything to put the ashes in, and the church have got no record of it. Too late. Okay, lift. Wait a minute. It's gonna fall. Whoa. Don't touch.
Is that starting to budge?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oops.
Actually, it might have done us a favour, that.
So as you can see, the problem here is as soon as you move that is just going to collapse.
One of our problems with the Garnett grave is that the tree there has actually pushed the headstone forward. So if you have a look at the headstone and the plinths are not sat on the far wall because the tree's pushed it forward. Yeah. Slowly. Leave go. Know what I'm saying? Can we just have a little dig down here and see how far this grave is?
Yeah, just pull it over.
Down at that. No, not yet.
Right. There we are. Didn't find that funny, did you?
Sit.